You say dumb.
Don't try to run whatever you do, man. Don't make it worse.
He's going. Rush.
Please don't. You're gonna get tased.
Please don't.
Your hands got your back. I have stuff right on you. Please don't.
Oh.
Put your hands on your back. You're gonna get tased again. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Stop. Let me stop. I promise you, I'll stop. Stop.
I can't breathe. What? Well, did he have a dog on his? Did he have a dog? Did the dog bite him in the?
Sit down. Sit down.
He got the dog biting him in the.
Get out here now. You're gonna get bit too.
These exotic boys, smoke exotic ops. You ain't heard about murder boys, we got exotic Glocks. Tied to pull up real fast, with a lot of shots. Bitch, I'm feeling just like Mac, I got a lot of guap.
What up, Mula gang? It's your boy Mac Mula, aka Mr. Mula Mac, and I'm back with another video. Y'all know how we rock, man. Cloud stock, keep the cushion in my pocket, man. Listen, check it out on for the grade. Can't y'all tell I'm high as giraffe? Or do I look regular? You know, you be high and see at the restaurant or something. You be wanting to look not high so bad. It don't never work, shorty. No matter what you do on Photography, what y'all on? Hope y'all decent, man. We finna get right into this video on Photography. Make sure y'all go in that description, tap in to the rest of my channels, man. On Broke Grave, tap into my mentorship, because I'm showing you how to go from broke to rich. This ain't no game. This ain't no joke. None of that shit on Photography. I'm really showing niggas how to get that bread, fool. It's only 50 bucks a month. Sign up real quick. Get that money, shorty. I'm gonna teach you just like I teach everybody else. If a nigga who 15, 16, 17, I got niggas from 6. I've been doing this 2 years. From 16 all the way to in their 50s, I got niggas making money. Business, YouTube, crypto, stocks, financial literacy, credit. I'm gonna show you every way I know how to get a bag. Every way I got a bag, you gonna learn how to get a bag on Funnel Grade. Tap into that shit. Now somebody sent me this video and they say tap into this motherfucker. So we finna tap in up on that. Big 60 caught with a switchy. Oh no. He got caught with a switchy? His tweak? He got caught with a switch? His tweak? He got caught with a switchy? Oh shit, I'm tweaking.
Let's have, obviously there's 3 of us, but I think the 2 of us with the male. Okay. And one with the female. They were both in possession of it.
This look like Atlanta. This Atlanta, ain't it? This ain't Lennox Mount?
I think so.
My tweet.
Call the state attorney. Go from there. Where's the car at?
It's over.
What kind of car is it?
It's a white Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Red Jeep. They got to make a car, all type.
One male sitting down, black ski mask, and one female inside. Where's he at? He's sitting down.
Where? Sitting where?
Where? You see the car? Right there? Okay. Alright. Okay. So we'll grab him first, and then we'll keep an eye on the doors and we'll grab him out.
Where is he sitting?
He's literally right down the other side of that pole.
Why they pointing at him? They stupid as
So it's the first 2 walk past, so he has to get up on that way. Second deal, stop short. No need for debate, obviously. We've already decided, right? It's in it. And we'll come to the charges on that.
They said they caught him carrying.
Trespass.
Now, right on the other side of this pole. Okay. So we're just going to go and grab him. Okay.
Hold on, y'all, before we get back into the video, because we finna get right back into it, I gotta tell y'all about the Mula membership. The Mula membership is a website that I started a few years ago. Since I started this website, I have been able to put on so many of y'all, and I want you to be the next person to get put on. I'm gonna give you instructional videos, step-by-step instructions. I'm literally giving you lessons out weekly, daily, for you to understand these different categories. We talking about business, financial literacy, credit, crypto, we talking about stocks, we talking about Amazon, we talking about drop shipping, we talking about YouTube. I'm literally giving you the gems to be a boss, the gems to be a successful entrepreneur in 2023. So this is all you have to do. Click the link in the description, sign up right now for the low price of $50 a month, bro. $50 a month. You're gonna get access to a one-on-one help with me. You're gonna get access to my group chats where my experts worldwide work around the clock, 24/7, to make sure you have the best stock and crypto call outs. That means all you gotta do is buy the same stocks and cryptos that I'm buying and make some of all this bread. Very simple, very easy. On Bro Game, stop waiting, stop procrastinating. Click the first link in the description right now, especially if you want to be a boss. And if you dead serious, man, if you want to put that work in and get that money on, I'm talking about that easy money on, click that link in the description, shorty, right now, because we only got 2,000 spots, and I would hate to see you be missed out. Skate.
She's inside the store.
I ain't talking to you, Siri! Shut up! This guy dumb.
What happened?
We're gonna explain it to you in a little bit.
Alright?
Don't try to run whatever you do, man. Don't make it worse.
He's going.
Rush! He's going. Shorty trying to hit his that 360. He trying to hit that fillet, motherfucker. No, boy. Get your dumb on. He must have been flashing that something, shorty. Yo, bro, great. That's the only way. That's the only way. That's the only way. He must have upped that or dropped it or some stupid.
Don't try to run whatever you do, man. Don't make it worse.
Take off.
Stop.
He's tweaking.
Do not resist.
He's tweaking. Do not resist. You understand me?
Someone get over here.
Do not resist.
Hey, I'm gonna tase you, bro. Please don't. You're gonna get tased.
Please don't.
Your hands got your back. I have stuff right on you. Please don't.
Oh. He got an extended clip on that all type of shit. That motherfucker already fell. His tweaking.
Don't let her out. Don't let her out.
I have a bullet in my back.
He's got a gun on his back.
I have a bullet in my back, not a gun. And on the fucking ground.
You get your back. You're getting tased. Sorry.
Why he not? Why he saying please don't and trying to get up at the same time, shorty?
Taser.
Yep, popped his. He.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased again.
That nigga said help! Help! I'm too hot for this right here!
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased again.
He's trying to kill me! He talking about help! This nigga over the balcony talking about help! He trying to kill me! I can't take it, bro. We gotta pause on the play, bro. We gotta pause, bro. I'm too high for this, man. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh. Whoa, what the is going on, shorty? Help! He talking about help!
Help! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! Stop, let me stop! I promise you I'll stop.
He said I can't breathe. What? And the police don't know what the to do. Let's say what kind of police that is.
He punching and cracking.
He punching and cracking. He punching and cracking. He punching and cracking. His is weak. Stop, motherfucker. He said help. It's getting quiet.
Help! I can't breathe!
Pick it up.
Tweaking.
I can't breathe!
Stay down.
Stop fighting.
It's weekend.
Stop, man. Stop.
10 seconds.
Stop, man. I can't breathe.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. The tasers ain't working on him. I don't know what else it is for this nigga to do. Y'all better get strong. It's folk grown, big burly ass man. Y'all better grab this nigga, man. Ain't no way he should be. Come on, man.
He's fighting us. We're all on him. I'm coming in 2 seconds.
Just stop, man.
I'm passing out.
We're sending the medics.
Okay, let me up a little bit. Get your hand out. I can't.
The taser.
He just keep tasing his thing, bro. Bro. That nigga probably done pissed himself. Oh,
Up here, Aaron.
and you know everybody gonna start twigging. He's talking about help.
Stop, man.
He got his arms like this, folks.
We have a dog here. We have a dog here. Move. Get that man. Get that man. Get that man. Get on your Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
What the? Well, did he have a dog on his? Did he have a dog? Did the dog bite him in the?
Sit down.
He got the dog biting him in the.
Get out here now. You're gonna get bit too. Get around here.
He got bit?
Get out here now. Get out here now.
I don't think that was
Get out
right.
here now. Get on your stomach. You're gonna get bit too. Right now.
He said bit too. I think just put the dog on his ass, man. What the is going on right here, man? What the is going on, folks? This the worst. This his worst day ever. Oh my dead homie. These nigga got bitten. That nigga got tased like 17 times. God damn, folks. Y'all done brought the big dog to bite him in the ass. Fuckers. He already comes, folks. He talking about you come out here, you gonna get bit too. Is that legal, sir? I don't think that's legal, sir.
We got one in custody. Take it a second in the custody now.
And he just the dog just bite him in the ass. Oh, he done bit him in the ass. He said, get that man.
Get him up on the stomach. Get him up on the stomach. Ready? Sit up. 1, 2, 3. Watch. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You need to take the cuffs off. Take them off. He's fine. It's fine. Okay, no worries. Hurt yourself. You're good.
Told his sit down. Why he tell him to sit down?
Give me
He done got bitten.
What's
man.
hurt? Your knee? Stay sitting.
Folks, stay sitting. Well, calm your motherfucking Jolly man. Get your Johnny Bravo wannabe bald head G.I. Joe looking ass on somewhere, man. The f is wrong with you? You coming around the corner with big K9 dogs bite niggas in the ass and shit, man. What the f is going on? Sit down, don't stay sitting, don't move. You know this why niggas don't like the police, because most of y'all was lames y'all whole life, and you just decided to be the police today because you want to enforce some power on somebody. Sit down, stay seated. Like, boy, I will kung fu chop you right now, boy. F is you talking about, man?
Are you good? What, bro?
That's a big dog.
Give me a copy. We're also taking a weapon off the male subject fighting. Shotgun taken.
That's a big dog. He just bit me in the
Gun.
Secure that right there. Don't touch, leave it. You know.
Yep.
Draw for him.
He wants to shots fired.
I see.
Oh. Taser when they listen to taser.
not have shots fired. We did not have shots fired. We got to take our patient appointment. No shots fired.
Nah, you would've.
Sit up. Sit up for us so you can breathe.
He bleeding all over the guy.
So you can breathe. I know you can hear me.
56-601. We said any improvement around that one.
We got a large crowd.
We got a large crowd from Gloucester, just going.
It's under control at this point.
We've got limited bodies here. Everybody's going. We got two detained. Everybody's going to war. An injured officer hurt knee. We just need a couple ambos the office scene.
Hey, you see my leg?
Thought it fell from
You good? Okay. You have it or no? No?
Someone ready to move the siren around?
I ain't gonna lie, my ass hurt. He got that bitch ass, man. It's bad, man. It's bad right now.
Where's your car?
I got two injured officers, possible broken knee.
Somehow possible broken knee.
On our offender. 10-4, two officers, possible broken wrist, possible broken knee, and one for dog bite on the offender. We also have a taser deployment on the offender as well. He's been dog bit and taser. 10-4, that's not about the
That's right, man.
All you have to do is not run. That's all you have to do is not run. We're going to figure this out. Let's ID him up. Everybody's okay. He's breathing. Let's get an ID off of him. Do you have any other guns on you? Are you armed at all? Do you have any guns on you? Do you have any drugs on you? Okay. You understand you're both going under arrest at this point, correct? I just asked you. Do you understand that? Yes or no? Okay. Do you understand that you're being detained? Do you understand that? Okay? Do you have any ID on you? In your purse. Okay. What's your name? What's your name? Listen, my guy, you're going to find out one way or another. So breathe through your nose and out your mouth and just relax. Okay, what's done is done. Right? So now let's just chill out, okay? Look at me. Breathe through your nose and out your mouth, okay? So we get your breathing back, okay? Just relax. What's done is done, okay? So if it's going to hurt you anymore, you're going to fall.
I'll be probably doing some entrances. Any incoming units,
with you, okay? So you're armed, maybe she's armed. Shall I find that out, man? Shall I find that out? That's what happened.
But it's okay. It's legal to be armed, though. That's what I'm trying to get to. I mean, I know you can't have one, I guess, in the mall. Like, you're not supposed to for some malls, especially if this Linux. They be on your but God.
We'll figure out what's going on, okay? Help you come out. Just keep what's going on for her, okay? Where's you going to stay on, okay? So the paramedics take a look at you, okay? They get you up on the stage, and then you got to pull it up, okay? That's it. Yeah, tell me right now.
What?
I wrong what?
Yeah, when he fell on me after a huge pop.
Existing injury pop?
Yeah. It hurts a lot to walk on.
Hurts a lot to walk on.
Got bent like sideways.
What the hell they doing all that extra shit?
Where does it hurt the most right now? Okay. Alright, give me 1 second,
They got that kind of quick, though.
Not ready to go spin. I don't have it. Once I get out of here,
He done bit the dog. Hey, the dog done bit him in the ass, man. I ain't gonna lie, though, folks. I ain't fighting with no police, folks. I'm telling you right now, folks. I'll fight with Shaq before I fight with the police. That. I'm not fighting with no popo, man. Not no DEA agent. Not no none of that. From the grave. You got anything tied to the popo, nigga. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.